One of the vital elements in boosting retail sales is ensuring your team understands the products they're selling, helping them make informed recommendations. Effective training empowers your team to become trusted advisors, building trust and encouraging more purchases with confident recommendations. Training also includes selling techniques. Introducing products, cross-selling, and upselling are crucial to maximizing service appointments. Ongoing support is essential. Advice on promotions and troubleshooting helps your business stay adaptable and continuously growing. The beauty industry is ever evolving. Regular consultations help refine your retail strategy, improving displays and customer retention. Regular check-ins keep your team motivated and effective in selling, ensuring access to resources during busy or challenging times. Marketing is crucial for driving traffic to your retail offerings. However, many beauty businesses struggle with effectively marketing products.